Hello, dear friends. Today we're going to hear a beautiful story about something very special. In the Quran, in Surah Luqman, chapter 31, verse 14, Allah tells us something amazing. He says that we should be grateful to our parents, especially our mothers who carried us and took care of us when we were tiny babies. Let's discover what this means through a wonderful story. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Amira. She loved playing with her toys and eating yummy snacks. Every morning, her mama would wake her up gently, make her favorite breakfast, and help her get ready for school. Every evening, her papa would read her stories and tuck her into bed. Amira was happy, but she didn't always think about how much her parents did for her. One day, Amira's mama wasn't feeling well. She had to rest in bed. Amira decided to help. She brought her mama a glass of water, made her a card with colorful drawings, and sat quietly beside her. When her mama smiled and said thank you, Amira felt something warm in her heart. She realized how much her mama did for her every single day, and how good it felt to give back that love. This is exactly what Allah teaches us in Surah Luqman. Our parents, especially our mothers, work so hard for us. They love us, feed us, protect us, and care for us even when they're tired. Being grateful means saying thank you, helping them, and showing them love. When we're kind to our parents, we're following Allah's beautiful guidance and making everyone happy. So remember, dear friends, just like Amira learned, our parents deserve our love and gratitude every day. Let's always be thankful, helpful, and kind to them. As Allah reminds us in Surah Luqman, chapter 31, verse 14, being grateful to our parents is one of the most important things we can do. May Allah help us all be loving and grateful children.